Welcome to our super light, gentle, 10-minute low-impact workout, just starting with a twist. I was inspired by a new member of our community who was adopting some new healthy habits, trying to break free of some old negative ones, something I'm very familiar with. We just want a nice, easy workout to start our day, boost our energy, elevate our mood, get the blood flowing. So much more. So just join me, stick with me for the 10 minutes. Try to move constantly. If you're a little more advanced, you can always pick up the pace, push yourself, modify the workouts as always. But let's just move for 10 minutes so we can start feeling good and continue to build this consistency and discipline around daily physical activity. Get the back nice and warm. Just nice and easy. Doesn't take a lot. Just want to move more often. Just build on it every single day. I really do think movement is the foundation of our health. We make better food choices when we moved. We sleep better. We're actually physically tired. Build self-confidence, self-esteem. Treat others better. Just so much comes from moving our bodies. All right, let's get the lower body involved. Just a nice, gentle march. Again, choose your own adventure. Wherever you're at is great. You can pick it up if you want. I'm just going real light and gentle today. It's tough to break free negative habits. There's no special sauce. There's no one size fits all. Quick fix. It's just showing up day in and day out, trying to replace the negative habit with a positive one. Little light movement can do just that. For me, running transformed my life when I was trying to break free from problem drinking. And it worked. Knowing I had to wake up and run the next day was a good motivator not to drink. I haven't looked back. Greatest thing I ever did. We all got something. Well, maybe not all. Whether it's too much screens, porn addiction, drugs, alcohol, food. Food's the worst one because we got to eat. Just find something that you can do. Can replace the negative habit with a positive one. And that can be a good starting off place. Real gentle side to side lateral move with a touch. This is a good barometer of your fitness level. Some of you might be ripping and touching down. Brilliant. Maybe though, we're just here. Be real mindful with each movement. We've been focusing on our walks, building a foundation. I encourage you to take that 10-minute evening walk after your last meal. I really do think that's a great intervention it can change so many things. It's going to help us sleep in the evening. It's going to aid digestion. Maybe we start to think about our food choices. Like, I'm going to go for a walk after this meal. Maybe I don't want to eat so much because it's not going to feel that great. So our food choices become better. We're getting the movement in. You start to feel good about yourself. You start building strength over time. It's not rocket science. It doesn't take Herculean effort, although it feels like it at first. I know. I really do know. Don't take yourself too seriously. That's a key I have to tell myself all the time. Have a laugh. Just enjoy the ride. It's not supposed to be easy, this life thing. One more. Okay. Just a nice, gentle heel tap. Engage the core, building core stability. You can pick up the pace. Remember, this session can be for all levels. You just gotta choose what's right for you and pick it up if you want, or slow it down. Get a little bit of arm movement. Reach back. We don't play sports to win 100-0 every time. We get bored and we wouldn't do it anymore. Same thing with life. We can have some challenges. Can we embrace them? All right, this is what life is offered. I like this idea that we don't get to choose the lessons that life gives us, but we get to choose how we learn them. Either we learn them through suffering or through joy. Easier said than done, I know. A couple more. All right, just shake that out a bit. Shake, shake, shake. Just a little side toe tap. Just arms are coming out a bit. Maybe just here, this is all you got. Great, then that's it. Get the arms in. You can do this much faster if you want also. You can pick it up and really ramp up your heart rate. Or, like me, just need a little light movement today. Head up high. Yeah, look ahead. Real integrity. You are enough. Just, I am strong. I am more than my urges, my cravings, my past patterns. All right. Okay. Shake, shake, shake. A little trickier possibly, but same thing, but we're just going to lift the leg up a bit, build a little bit of balance. A chair would be great now. If you don't have a chair, you want to grab one. You can just continue to toe tap here. This is good. But maybe just a couple times, maybe come up a bit. Just building some strength in the leg, balance, mindset. This idea of freedom through discipline, where we're not at the mercy of our cravings. Oh, it's an exceptional life. Let's go to the other side. Again, maybe just tapping it out, or build a little balance, engage the core. Connect your breath to the movement. If you fall, that's okay. One more. Yeah. Okay. One last exercise. Let's just step and reach. We can make this super difficult if you want. You can also slow and steady. Just keep showing up. Honor the body. And show it for yourself. More likely to be able to show it for others. Small victories, you get a win. Just keep adding on to them. You take a loss. All right. What I learned from this Loss. How do I avoid it happen again? Learn from it. Move on from it. Let's go. Couple more. Well done. Not bad. Feel warm. Feel energized. It doesn't take a lot. Little light movement. Let's just take a moment just to be. Watch the mind. We discipline the mind, discipline our thoughts. My thoughts wander off. I can guide them, bring them back to the present moment. My mind starts to wander off into urges, cravings, old thought patterns. Oh, I just notice. I bring it back. Mind wanders off to what I've been conditioned to do in the past. I just notice it. I come now. I change my ways. I can change my conditioning. It's always time to practice presence. Mind wanders, bring it back. Over and over again. Stay consistent. Go and have the most remarkable day. Well done. Remember to comment. Job done. Inspire others. I'll see you tomorrow.